In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap out your headlights and corner lenses on your 93 to 97 Ford Ranger. This particular set came from ProTuningLab.com, and just so you know, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I bought this with my own money, and I'm giving it an impartial review. And yes, that is bird poop all over the truck. I have to park under a tree, and I love it a lot. To get started, open the hood and remove the 7 screws that hold the grille to the truck. Lift up gently on each end to release the plastic tabs, and then lift the grille up and away from the truck. On each headlight lens, there are 3 metal clips that you will need to remove. Use a box end wrench and gently pull up to remove them. You can also tap them out from the bottom using a hammer and punch. Next, twist and remove the headlight bulb out of the housing and gently pull the housing away from the core support. Using an 11mm socket, remove the nut holding the corner lens to the core support. Pull the lens back and twist to release the signal bulb. On the left is the factory headlight housing, and to the right is the new housing from Pro Tuning Lab. Flipping them around, you'll notice that the factory housing has only 1 bulb, but the new one has a spot for the factory bulb and has a second light as well. The kit also comes with a pre-wired switch, a relay, and a wiring harness to connect the additional light. If you're happy with the way the old headlights are aimed, you can line up the new headlight adjuster with the matching side of the old headlight and turn the new adjustment knob to match the setting on the old headlight. This method didn't work for me though. The new adjuster doohickey wouldn't slide onto the core support. So I ended up pulling it off and replaced it with the old adjuster from the old housing. The housing then slid on super easy. Next, attach the signal bulb to the corner lens, pop the new lens onto the truck, and tighten down the nut. Quick tip, make sure you take those 3 metal clips and put them on the back of the headlight so that the headlight is secured to the truck before you try to install the headlight. Otherwise, this might happen. You'll also need to remove the bulb and swap out the plastic headlight retainer ring that holds the bulb onto the housing. The factory piece won't work with the new housing. Plug the bulb back into the wiring harness, slide the bulb inside the back of the housing, and twist the retainer clip to lock the bulb into the housing. Totally optional, but I like to use thread seal tape on the back of the headlight housing where the retainer ring screws onto because it gives it a little bit more of a secure fit. Here's a closer look. Kinda sloppy, but it does the job to keep moisture out of the housing and keeps the retainer ring on nice and snug. Here's a comparison of the factory headlight and corner lens next to the shiny new ones. Once you have both sides swapped out, you can reposition the grille, pop in the plastic snaps on both ends, and reinstall the 7 screws. I won't show you the entire process of wiring the additional lights on the housing, but here's a little bit of footage showing how I routed the wires behind the grille and plugged the wires into the back of the housings. I then ran the rest of the wiring through the core support and set up the relay and wiring near the battery. After connecting to power, I made sure the new secondary lights worked before running the switch into the cab through the firewall. Finally, here's how it looks with lights off and with both the main headlight and secondary lights on. All in all, this was a super easy project and it made a dramatic change to the front of the truck. I hope you guys found this helpful. Please make sure to hit like, subscribe, notify so you know when I post new stuff. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.